somewhere around there. All those colors are
Kind of silly. Let's see what color burgundy is.
I don't see any burgundy back here.
Okay, it is like a purplish red kind of.
Yeah, I know. That makes sense.
Looks like the place he said is over there. Is that first car? I don't know if it's a Volvo though. Oh, maybe that one is.
Should be a mower beside whatever it is. It's a Toyota.
What is this?
That's a Kia. That's some type of van. It's just everybody drives a burgundy. That's a GMC.
It's a Ford.
Great. He's like, I'll be out here. Be waiting for you. Okay. The fuck are you at then?
Where is your burgundy Volvo?
Let's see his specific notes. Behind Northwest Tire Warehouse, it's Shale Oil Services, used to be Williston Trucking Facility.
So back over there.
No, that says Shale Oil Services.
Oh, never mind. What does the Volvo look?
He said burgundy Volvo, mower right beside it.
Oh shit.
I don't see anything like that. That's definitely not a mower that guy's carrying.
Yeah.
That's
Subaru.
It's a Subaru. Oh, for the love of shit. Behind Northwest Tire. This one is Northwest Tire.
Uh-huh.
So, I guess we just pull in here. This is a Toyota. This guy just doesn't know what brand of vehicle is.
Brand is there was no mower beside it, so it didn't matter.
Maybe it's just sold. Back of lot. Burgundy Volvo. Alright, well I'll just call him up since we're here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yeah, I'm out here at you said Shale Oil Services.
Yeah, come all the way to the back. You'll see me out here. On the very back row.
Okay. Yeah, I see like a blue trash can back there.
What's that?
I see a blue trash bin back there, kind of back by there.
I'm back here at the back of the lot. I'm up next to a burgundy-colored Volvo semi-truck back here.
Burgundy, okay.
That you in the white pickup?
Yeah, I'm in a white pickup.
Yeah, just look over here to your left in the corner. You'll see me standing here.
To my left in the corner.
All the way back. Keep coming.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, all the way back and then just following around and you'll see me here.
Oh, I got you. Okay, so the burgundy semi?
What does this guy do?
Yeah.
Hey, what the hell's your deal, man?
What's your deal?
You almost...
What's that?
You almost ran into me.
And then you took off, and you're in my property. Who are you? What are you doing? And why are you speeding on my road?
Speeding?
You're definitely going
drove
fast,
like
and I
10
tried
miles
to
an
talk
hour.
to you, and you drove away from me as I was like, I got out of the truck, I walked up, tried to talk to you, and then you took off. What are you doing here?
I'm here to fix a mower for a guy in your parking lot.
Okay, my name's Bob. I have this. I rent out some spots down there, and if you're on my property, and I pull up to say hi and introduce myself, I expect you not to drive away. I literally got out and said hi, 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 ran next to your vehicle for 20 feet while you drove away from me.
All right, well, see, I saw you for a second. I assumed I was maybe in your way or something. I moved out. I'm on the phone with him. He's right in that burgundy truck right there.
That's fantastic.
Okay, so we have a misunderstanding here.
Yep, we do.
And I have no problem. Okay, so I don't have a problem. Not here to cause any problems. I just need to fix his mower.
We just got robbed, so I'm going to come across and say, we just got robbed from some people that came in, and I've had to put padlocks. You see me putting up security lights everywhere.
Yeah.
So part of my frustration is I have people in my yard that I don't know.
No, I understand that.
Okay?
Yeah.
They took $20,000 in tools. Probably not you, but as far as anyone on our property, I'm putting lights, I'm putting cameras, I'm putting everything up because of the riffraff. So for me, for my property, I want to know who's in here.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. No, see,
we're on the same page. I understand you want to go over there.
My apologies. I'm sorry.
If I
missed
pull up to introduce myself and you take off, that's a bad showing. So that's where I'm coming from.
Okay. Well. All right.
I understand.
Thank you.
All right.
It took a lot of restraint not to continue to chew that guy's ass for almost having me run into him.
There's some interesting encounter there.
Dial it back. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. That guy clearly had no fucking control over his emotions.
I guess.
For Christ's sake.
That's a GMC. He said it's all the way back here.
Yeah, there he is.